Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Malwarebytes Premium on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Malwarebytes website. Look for the products menu at the top of the page. Select Malwarebytes Premium from the drop-down options. Click on the free trial or buy now button to proceed. For a new user, create an account by filling in the required details like your email address and password. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Choose your preferred subscription plan from the available options. Complete any additional required fields, such as payment information. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Pay Now or Purchase button to finalize your purchase. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the confirmation email and look for the download link for Malwarebytes Premium. Click the download link to initiate the download process. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder once it has finished downloading. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Malwarebytes Premium. When prompted, log in using the account credentials you created earlier. Activate your subscription by entering any activation key provided in the confirmation email. Once the activation is complete, you will have full access to Malwarebytes Premium features. Take a moment to explore the interface and configure your security settings as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.